So let's talk about founder-led firms and the plateaus that they run into. There's a size and threshold. Oftentimes you'll hear it's 25, 30 employees, somewhere in that realm. And so there's a couple pieces that go into hitting that plateau and what causes it. The first is informal systems really just hit their limit. What worked when you were 8, 15, 20 people really starts to break down. Founder-led firms typically rely on tribal knowledge, informal processes, founder's intuition, and usually around that 25 to 30 person team size, the complexity really starts to increase exponentially. Communication starts to break down. Accountability really starts to get blurry as people wearing multiple hats start to wear one hat, which is great, assuming somebody else has those other hats now, and really just the inefficiencies multiply. So without those documented systems, defined roles, and clarity, what once worked stops scaling. The second piece that we commonly see is the span of control breaks down. So really, if you look at any of the research, any of the math, any of the time studies, and it varies definitely by industry, but in professional services, in generally some B2B aspects of that, 5 to 7 people is about the effective max from a management perspective. So at 30 employees, most founders find themselves either micromanaging or completely disconnecting. They're on one side or the other, trying to figure out how to just get the day-to-day and how to manage this as their team grows. The company lacks mid-level leadership and the operational layers to absorb. So, building those mid-level managers may not be it for you, but service line leaders, department leads, it could be a variety of things, but making sure that you have the leadership at that mid-level is key. And third is the founder. The founder just becomes the holdback, the bottleneck.